Hey guys, I'm Colin with Tier 1 Concealed, and today we're going to be talking about our new patented Easy Adjust system. First, let's talk about our new clips. The main feature is how easy it is to adjust ride height. No more taking the screws all the way out, adjusting, and then trying to hold it in place while you screw them back in. Now, simply just loosen the screws, adjust the height to your preferred position, and then tighten them down and you're good to go. We've added another position of adjustability. Before it was 5, now it's 6. This gives you an overall greater range of adjustability. Some of the other features include an angled retent so the belt stays in better, a pinch point at the top of the clip to lock in your belt. And if you'll notice, the top of the clip is thicker for added strength and durability. The last important feature to talk about is the grooves on the back of the clip. These come in handy for the non-light bearing holsters. We included these tracks to keep the two locked together. This prevents side-to-side movement while adjusting your ride height and claw placement. Speaking of the claw, let's talk about some of the features we have on our new claw system. Again, a main feature of this is the adjustability, the ease of it, and the amount of it. If you'll notice, we've added more material to the hex pattern of the claw arm to give it more durability and strength. But arguably one of the more exciting features is the new pressure stack system that enables you to adjust the pressure of your claw against the belt. The claw comes standard with 4 pressure stacks, which we recommend being the maximum. If you'd like to adjust pressure, simply take the screw out and remove stacks as needed. The point of the claw is to aid in concealment. It takes the butt of your gun and pushes it into your torso while simultaneously pushing against your belt. Now, everybody's different and everybody carries different guns. And some people prefer a more aggressive claw and some people prefer a less aggressive claw. Now you can adjust that. It's important to note that on the Elite Series holsters, there is a non-light bearing claw and a light bearing claw. They look a little different, but they do function the same. If you are ordering a non-elite holster or getting an easy adjust kit for your non-elite holster, you will always receive the light bearing claw, whether or not your holster is light bearing or non-light bearing. Now let's talk about our easy adjust kit. 2 clips, your concealment claw with 4 stacks, a hardware pack, and blue thread lock. Now keep in mind, you won't be using all of the pieces in your hardware pack. We are super excited to finally be releasing this new Easy Adjust system. We know you guys are going to love it. It's the result of a lot of feedback from you guys at home and a lot of R&D from us here at Tier 1 Concealed. And it's important to us to always be innovating so that you guys have the best product possible. Everyone at Tier 1 Concealed appreciates your continued support. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.